Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a VPN on your smart TV quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions for enhanced privacy. Step 1. Choose a VPN service that supports smart TVs such as ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark, and subscribe to a plan. Step 2. Check if your smart TV has a built-in VPN app in the App Store by searching for your VPN provider's name. Step 3. If a native app is available, download and install it directly on your smart TV. Step 4. Open the VPN app and log in using the credentials provided when you subscribe to the service. Step 5. Select a server location from the list of available countries to connect to the VPN. Step 6. If your smart TV doesn't support VPN apps, you can set up the VPN on your Wi-Fi router instead, which will protect all connected devices. Step 7. Follow your router manufacturer's instructions to access the router settings and configure the VPN at the network level. Step 8. Once configured, connect your smart TV to the VPN-enabled Wi-Fi network and verify the connection. Enjoy secure streaming with geo-unblocked content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.